Hey guys, are you want to buy best solar cable? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best solar cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vansdon solar cable, the 10 AWG solar extension cable set, 30-foot red plus 30-foot black, is a high-performance, durable solution for solar power systems. Built with tinned red copper wire, it ensures excellent conductivity, low resistance, and enhanced oxidation resistance, reducing power loss and boosting charging efficiency. TV, C, and RoHS certified, this professional-grade photovoltaic cable supports up to 54A current and DC 1500V, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius. Its IP67 rated XLPE/XLPO double insulation makes it waterproof, flame-retardant, UV-resistant, and corrosion-proof, ideal for long-term outdoor use, even in harsh weather. The pre-installed male and female connectors feature a secure self-locking system for quick and stable connections between panels and charge controllers. Versatile and reliable, this solar cable is suitable for solar panels, RVs, boats, and off-grid systems. With superior safety, flexibility, and longevity, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking to optimize solar power performance and durability. Now our second product is Bateria Power Solar Cable. The enhanced solar extension cable offers exceptional durability and efficiency for any solar power setup. Built with heavy-duty flame-retardant sleeving, it provides outstanding abrasion resistance against dragging in daily wear while remaining flexible and easy to coil. The 10 AWG tinned pure copper conductor minimizes power loss, offering 30 lower resistance than 12 AWG or 14 AWG cables and long-term corrosion protection for reliable performance over 10+ years. TUV certified XLPO insulation and jacket ensure superior flame resistance, UV protection, and durability across extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for outdoor installations. IP68 rated connectors with sealed O-rings guard against moisture, dust, and corrosion, while the snap-lock design guarantees a secure fit. Compatible with all major inverters, charge controllers, and battery systems, this solar cable is a safe, efficient, and long-lasting choice for anyone looking to maximize solar energy performance in any environment. Our third product is BougeRV solar cable. The BougeRV Upgrade 2.0 solar cable is a top-tier choice for efficient and reliable solar power connections. This 20-foot, 10 AWG solar extension cable includes a free extra pair of solar connectors for added flexibility and comes with 18 months of technical support. Made with tinned pure copper, it ensures superior conductivity, corrosion resistance, and long-lasting performance while minimizing power loss compared to 12 AWG or 14 AWG cables. TV and UL certified, the dual-layer XLPE insulation allows stable operation between -40 degrees Fahrenheit and 194 degrees Fahrenheit, offering better durability than standard PVC wires. Its UV-resistant and IP67 waterproof design effectively protects against dust, moisture, and extreme weather, ensuring safe outdoor use. With a secure locking mechanism and easy plug-and-play setup, connecting your solar panels to controllers is quick and tool-free. Perfect for home or RV solar systems, this cable combines performance, safety, and convenience for long-term solar reliability. Now number 4, Energeaster solar cable. The Energeaster 10 AWG solar extension cable delivers reliable performance and durability for solar power systems. Constructed from tinned pure copper, it offers excellent electrical conductivity while resisting corrosion and oxidation, ensuring long-lasting efficiency and minimal power loss compared to standard copper wires. Certified by TV and UL, this cable features a dual-layer XLPE insulation that withstands extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit, outperforming traditional PVC wires. Its IP67 waterproof, dustproof, and UV-resistant design makes it ideal for outdoor use in harsh environments. Each cable includes secure male and female connectors with a self-locking mechanism for quick, tool-free setup and stable connections. Perfect for solar panels, charge controllers, PV connectors, and junction boxes, it provides consistent, safe power transmission in solar plants, RVs, or off-grid systems. With its robust construction and easy operation, the Energeaster solar cable ensures lasting performance and dependable energy delivery in any condition. And our last choice is Jxmxrpv solar cable. The solar panel connector extension cable is an excellent solution for expanding your solar power setup with enhanced flexibility and reliability. Its extended reach makes it easy to position panels for maximum sunlight exposure, optimizing energy efficiency. Built with durable, weather-resistant materials, this cable withstands UV rays, extreme temperatures, and moisture, ensuring long-lasting outdoor performance. The secure connectors provide a tight, stable electrical connection, reducing voltage drops and maintaining a consistent power flow across your solar system. Installation is quick and effortless, no special tools or expertise required, making it ideal for both DIY users and professionals. Compatible with a wide range of solar panels, inverters, and system components, this versatile cable integrates smoothly into any setup. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new one, the solar panel connector extension cable delivers dependable connectivity, durability, and performance for efficient solar energy use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.